Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Simulating 2 dice rolls in Java is a classic coding challenge. Let's break down the logic to find the perfect answer. First, remember that Math.random generates a decimal between 0 and 1. Multiplying by 6 and casting to an integer gives you values from 0 to 5, which is not quite right. To get a standard die range from 1 to 6, you must add 1 to that result. Since we are rolling 2 separate cubes, we need to repeat this process twice. Adding those 2 separate expressions together simplifies perfectly to option E. This correctly simulates the sum of 2 independent 6-sided dice. You nailed it! Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given values and check your steps.